Hey you lovelies out there, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm very excited to share my gift unboxing of 2020 that I received. It's already 2021. I know I'm late, but still I wanted to do it. किनभने मैले आजकल एकदमै धेरै अनबक्सिङ र हल भिडियोहरू हेर्न थालेको छु, so I thought of sharing it with you as well. And since मेरो च्यानलको नाम पनि Mixed Bag by Sajia हो, I want to keep every type of content to share it with you, my personal experience of food, travel, fashion, customer service, and also the gifts and stuff. So without wasting time, let's go and enjoy. And also यो भिडियो चाहिँ मैले IGTV मा पनि पोस्ट गर्नेवाला छु. So those who are from my Instagram family, उनीहरूले चाहिँ IGTV मा पनि enjoy गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, and YouTube family can enjoy it here. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am growing slowly and I am loving it. Let's go and watch. Your first gift रहेको छ यो, and this is all the way from Butwal. मलाई चाहिँ ग्लास कप अनि त्यसपछि हुन्छ नि भाँडाकुँडाहरूको एकदमै सोख छ. I think I got it from my mama. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि there are some of my sisters, friends जसले चाहिँ मलाई त्यस्तै खाले नै गिफ्ट दिनुहुन्छ. So this is from Manisa बहिनी, and probably यो मेरो second mug set हो मनसा बहिनीको तर्फबाट, and I so love it. Just look at this. I'll show you one. Ta-da! Thank you Mansa. I so love it. And it also has यस्तो खाले detailing like त्यो फिशको हुन्छ नि कत्ला कत्ला टाइपको, and I really like it. Maybe एउटामा चाहिँ म क्यान्डल बाल्छु होला. Thank you Mansa. My second gift, well, म चाहिँ एकदमै नै chunky sweater fan हो. So I also got this and during Christmas time from Pratiksha बहिनी. Pratiksha, thank you so much. I love this sweater. अनि मैले कतिचोटि लगाइ पनि सके. Not a very fan of this color, तर this is like my first time trial. अनि I love it. Thank you so much. It's very warm. My third gift, म चाहिँ एकदमै big candle freak हो, candle fan, scented candle especially. अनि I got this candle from Subani because she knows what I like. अनि त्यसपछि this I received like during तिहारको टाइममा, अनि it's from Binay Candle House. I really want to thank them किनभने मैले एउटा भिडियो बनाएको थिएँ about the candle from purchasing from them, अनि त्यति बेला चाहिँ मेरो first purchase बेलामा they used plastic for the wrapping thing and stuff, अनि मैले feedback पनि दिएको थिएँ, and they were so kind enough that they had wrapped it up with the paper. म चाहिँ खासै plastic fan होइन. I try my best to avoid it. So they just wrapped it in this paper and I was so thankful. So this is one. यो चाहिँ lavender flavor को. This is the one. अनि एउटा चाहिँ मैले खोलिसकेँ and I'm using it. यसको paper अझ बाँकी नै छ. This is lemongrass. अनि त्यसपछि I also received a tiny complimentary gift from them. Thank you so much Binay Candle House, and thank you Subani for these candles. I love it. Moving on to my fourth and final gift of 2020. म चाहिँ एकदमै red lipstick को fan पनि हो, and recently मैले मेरो lipstick हराएँ. So I had shared this with my best friend Timo Shraddha, and she was so kind enough to buy me this. Yes, म चाहिँ यो MAC को Ruby Woo भन्ने lipstick एकदमै चलाउँछु, red lipstick. So this is what I got from her and I so love it. This smells so good. Thank you Timo. I so wanted it and you got it for me. I'm so happy. I love you a lot. I was so excited. मैले main gift को त कुरै गर्न बिर्से. Actually I'm working on it right now. So it's ring light and a tripod given by my darling brother Deepu. त्यो चाहिँ म अहिले युज गरिरहेको छु, and I so love it. And also if you want ring light or any sort of mobile accessories, you can check Moby Monk भन्ने online shop. It's in Instagram and they have some amazing collection. So मैले यो phone cover पनि उसकै थ्रुबाट पाएको हो, and also like I told you, the ring light and the tripod I'm using at the moment is also given by him. So if you want yours, you can grab it from there. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Whenever you gift anything to someone, bigger heart is always important. And also, if you can gift somebody things that they can use it, that would be actually a proper utilization of your gift. This is like an advice, because I always do that and my people knows and they also do that. So again, thank you so much. Stay safe, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in other video, maybe while traveling or maybe eating food, customer service, fashion. It could be anything, as this is Mixed Bag by Sajia. Bye.